This is my fake husky. Ayan, look at us. Sino bang husky na giniginaw? Oh my God. You're so fake husky, baby girl. Baby girl! Ah! Wala akong matulog. Ito pa yung mga mga kwarantahin, guys. Ayan, omega painkiller. At saka efficacy oil. Alam nyo na this. Ang mga matatanda, ayan. Mga sa paa. Arthritis. This is my medicine na, guys. Ayan. Mga arthritis cream. Oh my God. It's getting older na talaga tayo, guys. Okay lang. As long as we are alive. Yun lang, guys. Good night. Natapos na yung aking first load ng labahan ako, guys. Here in America. Oh my God. Puro trabaho. Pagising sa umaga, trabaho. Day off, trabaho. Oh my God, guys, na wala kaming pahinga dito sa sa abroad. Alam nyo na, kailangan natin pagkatapos, pag day off natin, syempre, wala naman ditong katulong, guys. So, yung day off namin, ito, labahan, hugas plato. When we have a day off, we just washing clothes, clean the house, do the dishes. Yes. Welcome to abroad. Talagang talaga. Plus, kalaban pa namin ang homesick. Yan, guys. Ayan. Siyempre, meron pang siyempre, kahit naman, sabi nga nila, I don't know, like, money can buy happiness. Of course, hindi naman yung totoo, diba? Siyempre, pag marami kang pera, happy ka, diba? Aminin nyo. But no, just kidding. So, well, usually daw, pag day off ko, yan, ako, nagilinis ako ng bahay kasi, yun lang yung time ko na makapaglinis. Sabi naman ni Ricky, pwede naman kami kuha ng tagalinis. Kaya lang mahal, guys. Tsaka, hindi rin talaga siya ganun kalinis. Like, I think, 25, I think $20 or $20 per hour. Pero, wag mo naman expect na, di ba, kawawa naman yung tao na sobrang din na sobrang lalo na ganito kalaki yung bahay mo, siguro more like 3 hours, diba? Okay, siguro yung pag halimbawa sabihin natin if you're like a manager or malaki talaga yung sahod mo, why not? Kasi kumbaga kukwentahin mo yung hours mo, like yung halimbawa trabaho manager, you bring home like 10K a month, or you're a nurse or you're a therapist. Kasi ang sahod talaga nila, guys, is malaki, lalo ng mga nurse, mga therapist. So, sayang naman yung oras mo, diba? Instead na maglinis ka, mo na lang, spend mo lang time para sa sarili mo, ganun. It's okay lang din yun, no? So, ayan start ako ng start natin tong ating first load. So, dryer naman, hindi lang siya mahirap, guys. So, on mo lang to. Tapos 1 hour. Tapos yun, maximum. Ayan, automatic naman yan, guys. Yan, hayaan mo lang siya. So, thank God lang hindi. Plus, ito naman yung biddings. So, once a week or twice a week, naglalaba ako ng biddings. Kasi, para mabango. Kasi syempre, pag maganda yung mabango yung linya natin, masarap yung tulog natin, di ba? Yun muna, guys! It's now 3 o'clock. Wala pa ako masyadong gagawa. Yes, good morning. It's still cold and we're going to work. It's cold, 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 cold. Ayan. May snow pa rin konti. Ayan. Oh my God. Yun yung Tesla. Yung sasakyan. Oh. Medyo ano pa rin guys. Oh my God. Oh. Really? Tesla na yun ah. Medyo nahirapan pa siya magano. Okay. Did you see that Tesla? It's like sliding. Yan, almost 7. And siya. May ice pa rin yung kalsada. So Thursday na ngayon. May ice pa rin. Wala pa rin klase ngayon guys. School is still closed because the road is still ice. Hindi pa rin ako makapag-drive kasi alam nyo na mahirap ma-slide. Ayan. Tayo guys. Ito yung ating grocery. Chicken. Chicken for the dog. At the Thai. Ayan guys. Oh my God. Are you hungry now? I know. Oh my God. They're hungry. It's now almost 9 o'clock. They didn't have their dinner. Oh my God. Look at the floor. It's dirty. Oh my God. Look at your feet. Vlog, good afternoon. My vlog is late because today is my day off. Yun, day off ng yaya nyo today. So yun. So saan kayo maganda ilagay? Dito siguro okay na to. Yan. Ayan. Oh my God. Wala akong mapaglagyan ng aking ano. Ayan. Sinilabhan ko yung aking bed sheets. Ayan guys. So let's do a little makeup. So this one is from my gifts from my friends. So guys, it's Erica. Ibigay niya ako ng lipstick. Ready ba? Ganda. Ayan. Today is the last day ng ano ng January. Ayan. Ay! Lumampas ba? Ganda yung kulay niya, no? I like it. Thank you. So, this is what's it? Pat McGrain Loves. Ang ganda siya, guys. I like it. Thank you, sis. So, today is the last. Hindi ba lampas? Di ba? Parang maganda yung kulay niya, di ba? Oh, di ba? Parang ano na. Advanced Valentine's Day. So, this is the last day of the January 31st. So, finally, tapos na yung mga storm, guys. Yan. Natapos na ang ating natapos na yung ating first month. So, ito naman is my favorite perfume, Lancome. Or Lacome, oh. Lancome. Oh, I like siya. Gusto ko yung smell niya. So, ito. This is my Christmas gift for myself, oh, diba? Kasi alam niyo na, sometimes you have to reward yourself. So, yun guys, medyo late yung ating vlog. Ayun, patay ko. Medyo late yung vlog natin today because day off ko ngayon. So, finally, may day off ako. So, finally, day off ko ngayon. Ayan, I'm gonna wash, no, I'm washing that one. So, ayun pa yung first, si Jerry, tapos na sila kumain. They're done eating their lunch. Come on. Ayan. So, this is my laundry for today. So, ito is done, but medyo malamig. So, ininit ko siya ulit. Ininit na din. So, this one, ito yung susunod. Ito yung first load. Yung mga damit. And then, second load. Ayan. So, I'm planning to cook some foods for the week. So, I'm gonna cook pansit. Ayan. Pansit and maybe menudo. Ayan. So, I'm gonna cook pansit. And this one, sapin-sapin, I will try to cook also. This for like 1 year na guys, o 2 years. So, manong taga ng... Ayun si Zoe. Zoe! Baby girl! Baby girl! Ang aking masungit na aso. Oh my God! Here. Come on. Yay! Ayan. So, thank God. Ayan. Tapos na yung ano, guys. Wala na yung snow. Konti na lang. Ice na lang. So, I'll show you outside. Tignan natin siya dito. Uy, ang lamig. Pero meron pa rin mga ice. Ayan, oh. Hindi pa siya natutunaw yung iba. May mga ice pa din. Nadula si... Nadula si Sweet. Ang lamig. So, malamig pa rin. Ayun, oh. Madulas. Ang hirap pa rin maglakad. So, kailangan lang namin talaga mag-ingat. Ayun, oh, madulas pa rin siya, guys. Actually, halos ilang days na ako hindi rin nakakapasyal kasi masyadong, mahirap. Pero kahapon, nakapag-drive na ako kahapon. Wala na akong problema. So, yan muna today. Mag-ano muna tayo, guys. We're gonna cook and thank God natapos na yung ano natin. Tapos na yung ating... Oh my God. So, last day ng ano. So, today is my... Lakas ng ano, volume ko. So, today is last day ng January and today is my husband's birthday and my friend's birthday na si Judith, birthday ng kanya anak na si Julia. Happy birthday! I'm sorry, I like to go but the weather is too cold. I hope na gusto ko sana pumunta kasi last year in-invite niya ako. Hindi ako nakapunta because I'm working in the airport. So ngayon naman, I like to go but it's too cold and going there is a little bit harder kasi hindi ko alam kung may ice pa ba. Pero wala namang ice but I'm still, hindi, parang alam nyo pa rin na kahit marunong na ako mag-drive but iba naman kasi pag halimbawa parang yung kalsada is tuyo na pero syempre nandun pa rin yung mo anxiety, diba? Driving with a little bit ice. Paranoid lang, guys. So, ito yung binigay ko kay Ricky. Italian cream. Ayan. Ito yung cake ko na binigay. Ayan. So, ito yung tsura niya. Ayan. So, this is the Italian cake. Para siyang, siya, guys. Parang, I cannot explain. Parang siya may coconut. Pero masarap din siya. So, yun. And then, I'm gonna eat that. And then, coffee. Ayan. So, thank God, this month is done. Parang isang buwan pa lang, napakadami ko ng pinagdadaanan sa buhay, guys. Pero, tuloy lang yung laban natin, guys. But, huwag tayong susuko. So, yun muna. And I'll see you later, guys. Tignan natin kung ano magagawa natin today. But, I need to edit my video. Ayun, video. And then, just relax and enjoy life. Yun muna, guys, ang ating for a while. So, see you later, guys. Bye! Hindi ko alam kung saan kami magde-date ni husband. I don't know yet.